Donnie, get in here. How's that look?
Yeah.
Awkward? Okay, you ready? Does it look okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Hi everybody, Max at Max Grundy Design. Hey, we just got a package in the mail from our pals at Keystone Tape in the great state of Texas. It's big, real big, dog big. Chuck over there at Keystone Tape, he has been a big supporter of ours for many years.
Thank you, Chuck.
And we're gonna open up this box to see what they sent us.
I'm waiting.
Always cut towards you, never away from you. Always use the dullest blade possible. You'll be completely safe. Hats! Yes! Thank you, Chuck. And wait, there's more. There's tape in here. For those of you who don't know, Keystone Tape is some fine automotive grade tape. Go get some. Get some right now. Thin line, fat line, red line, green line, you name it, they make it. And it doesn't pull off paint where you don't want it to, and it sticks where you do want it to. Think about that.
Food for thought.